Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Rike again. If you saw my unboxing of the 207G and 204B Zippo lighters, you know that I only took the sticker off the 204B. You know, it takes a little of the finish off and there's a little sticker. I will take it later, but beautiful. And the metal is gold. It's beautiful. Take it out. But that's not what I want to talk about in this video. What I really do want to talk about, shit, wait a little, warranty just slipped off. I want to take the sticker off the 207G. That's the gold dust. 207G, reg, I don't know what it means, gold dust. Genuine Zippo lighter made in USA. Beautiful little box. Let's take it out. Really astonishing lighter. I'm gonna take this thing off. You know, I usually put the sticker on the back of this. I usually keep them in the cases. I don't throw the cases away. Let's take the sticker off. I'll focus out. Yeah, this lighter, the finish, you know, came off a little. But you can only see it in really light. You won't be able to see it in the camera. Oh, fuck. But it's perfect, you know. Really beautiful lighter. You know, I put the sticker in, then I place the thing. It came like this. You know, usually the warranty's this side, but I don't really care. 204G, put it up here with the rest of my collection. And now, yeah, let's just open it for the first time. Oh fuck, the hinge is loose. Real loose. Already loose. Fuck, I don't know why. Shit, damn. Gee, yeah, it matches. But beautiful lighter anyways. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, you know, a short video about the 207G. So thanks for your time watching this. Please rate, favorite, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later.